Okay, so I have implemented smooth lighting, as you can see here, and there's also torches in the game, and I added water and lava. The lava works exactly the same as sand, yes, but lava and water does not admit shadows. And as you can see, there's smooth lighting. I have made the smooth lighting so that it goes from brightest to the darkest, layer by layer of pixels, not layer of blocks. And also, as you can see where it falls. So yes, so the water does not make shadows. And also the lava. And I also added the ability to zoom in and out. And also a pause menu alongside the F3 menu I've made a bit darker. That's the only way I figured out to do the screen zooming. And as you can see, I also split up the code into different files to make it easier in the future to edit.